Hey, it's Miss Alana working on math, being smart, awesome, and amazing like someone I know. Do you know who that is? That is you. Yes, we are working on today's math assignment. It is Thursday, December the 8th. I have my sheet. Do you have your sheet? You better have your sheet. We are on to the back side, working on multiplying. Let's begin by reading the standard. It says, number and operations in base 10. Read it with me. Perform operations with multi-digit whole numbers and with decimals to hundreds. MGSE 5, MVT 5. Fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm or other strategies demonstrating of multiplication up to a 3-digit by 2-digit factor. In this practice problem, we need to what? Use the standard algorithm and the area model to multiply the following numbers. So we are multiplying the same set of numbers two different ways. The first way by using the standard algorithm and the next way by using the area model. Are you ready? Let's do it together. Standard algorithm, that means I just need to write it out. No, I need a pen. I need a pen. Actually, you know what? Let me erase that because I feel like we're going to need more space. So let's move it up right there. Bam, I think that's good. 657 times 34. Please don't forget your operation symbol. I think some of you all out there are forgetting to write that down. Oh, that's a weird multiplication symbol. All right, let's work that out. First, we need to do 4 times 7 is 28. Write the 8 plus 2 up top. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22. Write the 2 plus 2. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 2, 26. Oh, we're done with that one. So what do? Cross out that 4. Done with that, done with that, done with that. Put your 0 placeholder right there. And let's move on to the next number. Let's multiply that 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Write the 1 plus 2. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Write the 7 plus 1 at the top. And 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1 more is 19. Now what do? Add those together. Let's add them together. Don't forget that addition operation symbol right there, okay? Don't forget that. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 7 is 13. Write the 3 plus 1 up top. 1 and 2 makes 3 plus 9 is 12. Or we can do 9 and 2. Well, 9 and 1, that would be the easy combination right there. 9 and 1 makes 10 plus 2 is 12. Or 9 and 2 is 11 plus 1 is 12. Write the 2 plus 1 here. 1 and 1 makes 2. Don't forget your comma. 1, 2, 3, bam. Comma right there. 22,338. All right, did you get that? Yes. Let's do the area model this time. So we're using the same numbers. This time, let's do the area model by writing each number in expanded form. So 657 is 600 plus 50 plus 7. And then 34, we'll write it here, is 30 plus 4. Let's draw our rectangle, our area model right here. We have 2 numbers here, so we need 2 rows. We have 3 numbers up here, so we need 3 columns. Now, the boxes do not have to be equal, and if you notice, these boxes here are bigger because of that 600. So these are larger numbers. And look, that only has 2 digits in that number, so it's a little bit smaller, and that one only has 1, so it's smaller. All right, so let's do 600 times 30. That is like multiplying 6 times 3, which is 18. add 1, 2, 3 zeros. The next one, which one do you want to do? We can do 600 times 4. Let's do that. 600 times 4 is like 6 times 4 is 24. And then add 2 zeros. Comma right there. The next one, 50 times 30, it's like multiplying 5 times 3, which is 15, and then add 2 zeros. Just like that. And 50 times 4 is like multiplying 5 and 4, which is 20, and then add a 0. Now don't get confused, because 5 times 4 is what? 20, and then that other 0 right there. Don't just do 2 and then 1 0, okay? And the last one is 7. 7 times 30 is like 7 times 3, which is 21. Add a 0. And then 7 times 4 is 28. Now, if you notice, I wrote the numbers nice and neat. All the place values, all the digits in each place line up. That way we can add them perfectly and beautifully, correctly. I want to do that strategy that one student showed me yesterday, because I like that strategy. It's just adding these sets together. That way we're not writing them all in one long row or one long column, vertical column, or you can do it that way. So either way, remember, whatever way you do it, it's fine. We'll get the right answer if you do it correctly. So let's add this one right here. 0 and 0, 0 and 0, 0 and 4 makes 4, 8 and 2 makes 10, 0 plus 1, and 1 and 1 makes 2. Comma right there. All right, are you good with that? The next one. We'll add these two numbers together. 0 and 0 makes 0, 0 and 0, 0, 5 and 2 makes 7, and then bring down that 1, 1,700. And the last set of numbers, 210 plus 28, 0 plus 8, 8, 1 plus 2, 3, and bring down that 2, bam, right there, 238. Okay, now we're not done. We need to do what? Add those numbers together. So let me write that out, 20,400. Make sure that everything is lined up, nice and neat. Commas are also lined up. Don't forget your addition symbols. Okay, you know I can put that multiplication up here because we were multiplying everything together. 0, 0, and 8 makes 8. 0, 0, 3 makes 3. 4 and 7 makes what? 11. Plus 2 is 13. Or you can do 7 and 2 is 9. Plus 4 is 13. Or 4 and 2 makes 6 plus 7 is 13. 3 plus 1, and then 1, 0, and 1 makes 2, and then that 2 comes down. It's by itself. 22,338. Do we see? Yes, they match. That's how we know that we got the answer correctly. That's how you check your work without even using a calculator. So make sure you do both ways, the standard algorithm and the area model. Thumbs up if you got that right. Yes. If you need help with any of the other questions, make sure you find the other videos. Until then, keep working hard. Always do your best. Love you.